It's a relief, honestly. Since the jump from GCSE, I've had to lock in, but it's well worth it.
So I did placement in a school, and then they offered me a job there now, so that's why I'm working next year. Yeah, I'm really excited to do something that I like, and knowing that I have the qualifications for it now, so I'm excited.
And I am ecstatic because I worked so hard during this course. I'm glad it paid off.
Feeling pretty happy. I mean, I was hoping for at least 2 A stars, so pretty happy with that. I really enjoyed them, yeah. I think it's actually a very nice place. Teachers are great, lectures are great, especially the physics department, maths department, all incredible, and the economics department as well.
I mean, for people that are returning like myself, I mean, do something that you will enjoy. I mean, don't, just go for it. Because, I mean, age is just a number these days, as long as you feel up to it, enjoy it, go for it.
Yeah, so I didn't have any qualifications at the start to get onto the A-level course, but John, my lecturer, fought to get me onto the A-level course, which I was really grateful for. I don't think I would have been here if it wasn't for, he kind of believed that I could do it.
I'll be going up to Oxford to study English language and literature. I'm quite nervous, but because of the help that the college gave us, we were actually able to go on a summer school, which I think has really helped with settling the nerves and being able to prepare mentally for what's coming. So I'm actually quite excited for the future.
I'm going to Cambridge University to study Spanish and Italian, and likewise I'm very nervous, but I'm really excited to start on a new chapter in my learning journey. And I know it'll be very challenging, but yeah, I'm really excited.
I've really enjoyed my time in college. I was quite lucky to have some really involved lecturers, so every single lecture I had has gone above and beyond.
I want to say well done to everyone who've done really well, but I want to say well done to those who maybe haven't reached the level that they wanted to. It's not because of the work that you didn't do, it's not because of the college. Sometimes things don't go the way that you planned them, but you will have a bright future, of that I know. So congratulations, well done, and I'm so proud of you all.